Want to know how to add link in TikTok bio? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add link in TikTok bio. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap onto the edit profile icon right beside the share profile. Likewise, under the About You section, tap on the links option at the last. Here you can see two options. Either you can add your Instagram link or YouTube link. Select according to your preference. Here you will need to log into your Instagram account in order to add link to your TikTok bio. So this is how you can add link to TikTok bio. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.